Hi everyone, today I am going to replace some rear brake pads on a Ford. It's a Ford Focus, it's a 2018 and it has an electric handbrake. And in order to replace the rear brake pads you need to wind back the calipers, and in this model it's an electric handbrake. So in order to wind them back, all you need to do is just put ignition on, and then you're going to have to press on the brake, keep the brake pressed down, release the parking brake, and now you see the parking brake is being released. Now release the brake, press all the way down onto the accelerator and keep it there. Then you're gonna have to press down on this button, keep it pressed. Okay, so you're gonna press it down, and then you're gonna take ignition off and put it back on within 5 seconds. So now ignition off, ignition on. Okay, you'll hear the calipers winding back, and now if you have a look on the dash, you will see the amber brake pad signal there. You can release all the brake accelerator pad and all that, and also should be there you go, there's a message on the dash saying park brake maintenance mode. All you have to do now is just take ignition off, carry on with your brake pads replacement. I'm not going to show this because you should all know that. And then you're going to have to put it back, get out of the maintenance mode. To get out of the maintenance mode, this is the procedure. We're going to have to put ignition on again. We've got ignition on, and this time again we're going to press on the accelerator all the way down, and we're going to pull the switch up. So let me put it down there. There you go. Pull, and again you have to ignition on and off. And you hear the calipers going back. And once you don't hear anything, release it. And if you look on the dash, you will see that your handbrake is red now, which means it's engaged. So now we're just gonna press on the brake and release the handbrake. As you can see, it's back working as it should. Alright guys, so quick recap. So to enter maintenance mode, you have to put ignition on, then you will press all the way, you'll release the handbrake by pressing the brake and push it down on the button, then release the brake, press all the way down on the accelerator pedal, push down the parking switch, and then put ignition on, take ignition off and put it back on within 5 seconds. And you'll see a message on the dash saying maintenance mode is active, and also you've got the amber light. To exit maintenance mode is the same procedure. You're gonna put ignition on, you're gonna press all the way down on the accelerator, you're gonna pull the switch up and keep it there, and then you will put ignition off and back on, and you're gonna get the red parking brake sign back on, and that means you're all done. Then apply a couple of times the parking brakes to make sure everything works fine, and that's about it. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you on my next one.